Okay, no problem. That's fine. Am I recording? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I think I'm just gonna record something a little bit different today. I was actually gonna record like a skincare kind of video, but I don't know, I just didn't really feel like it, and I don't have enough hair on my face right now. Hint as to the next video I'm gonna do. So I bought a new curling iron, and so this is the first time I've ever curled my hair. Curling irons are hard. I've never curled my hair with a curling iron, believe it or not. I usually just do a flat iron, but I just got this hydrating primer from e.l.f., so we'll see how I like it, I guess. Alright. A little extra under my eyes because I get so dry there. And when I get dry under my eyes, I like my makeup creases, and I am in desperate need for a manicure. I know, for all you trolls out there. But when a girl works 80 hours a week, manicure is kind of, I don't know, they kind of just go by the wayside for the minute. Where did I put my cap? Let's see here. I'm using the Makeup Forever HD Ultra Foundation. Love it. It's pretty. It's really lightweight. What is it with me and losing caps? Okay. Alrighty. Let's use this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. I got this one super light. And the reason why, because I really wanted it to like be extra highlighting. You just have to be careful, because if I put too much on, then it looks really bad. So yeah. I use the Like to Know It app to shop. If you don't know what that is, it's like you can follow all of your favorite influencers and like shop their outfits. And I just noticed that like a lot of them use it, and they use Nordstrom, which I like Nordstrom. They have good quality stuff, but it's like, really, I don't know if I want to spend $50, $70 on a top right now. Like, can I just get a simple slouchy top for like 10 bucks? You know what I mean? So Forever 21 has some pretty good stuff, but then obviously you pay for the quality. All right, what do I need to do next? Contour, otherwise I will look like I'm 12 years old. I want to look somewhat put together, but I also don't need to look like I'm beat to the gods, so you know. Okay, I don't even think I'm gonna put mascara on, because when they do your eyebrows, they like make you do that. So I think I'm done for now. Okay, so I'm just in a really lazy mood. I just have this sweater on, I don't know, some leggings, whatever. Okay, let's see how my hair turned out. I'm kind of excited. So I curled it, and then I just put them up in like little pin curls to help them set. Look at that. Yeah, that did not turn out very well. Okay, so I'm done. It's cute. Super curly. But it's hard because I'm wearing a black shirt. I don't like it. Alright, because I'm going to the mall. Alright, I don't feel like doing anything else. I'm tired. I'm done. Alright. I'm done. Bye. Thanks for listening.